All right, let's see here. Now we're into the good boxes. Topps Tier 1 baseball. Not a lot of cards in here, but you can get 2 autos and 1 relic. Not certain how many other cards are in here. Let's go. After those fucking bullshit fucking Prism hobby boxes, those are worthless. Or Prism, not hobby, Jesus, retail. All right, Derek Jeter.
Shit.
Fuck,
Holy
out of 50.
shit, dude.
That's fucking sick. Woo! Thank goodness.
Damn.
Yeah, let me get that in a fucking
Yeah,
sleeve.
man.
Where the fuck is
Oh
the
my. There we go.
first fucking card?
Holy shit.
On card auto, Derek fucking Jeter. Actually, you know what? Let me cut this open.
Man. Dude.
No idea how much they're worth, but it's fucking the captain.
Holy shit, dude.
That's a cool looking card too.
Damn,
All right.
man.
Let's see, next card. Appel rookie or prospect, and then a Jim Rice memorabilia.
Oh my god, I remember him from back in the day. He was a huge bust.
Appel's out of $2.99.
In a Jim Rice? What is that, Jim Rice?
Jim Rice, yeah, patch card.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's thick. It's a thicky boy. Out of 400.
And your Jeter's out of 50?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.